Thinking about becoming an Uber Eats driver in Australia? Let's break down if it's really worth your time in just a minute and a half. First, the money. Log into your driver app and track everything meticulously for at least a week. Pay close attention to your active time versus your online time. You only get paid when actively delivering, not when you're waiting for orders. Next, the expenses. Fuel costs, car maintenance, insurance, and even general wear and tear on your vehicle lead into your profits. Create a spreadsheet and document every dollar you spend to get a true sense of your take-home pay. Location, location, location. Some areas consistently have higher demand than others. Experiment with different zones and times of day to find the sweet spots where orders are frequent and deliveries are efficient. Order selection is crucial. Don't be afraid to decline low-paying or long-distance orders. Waiting for a better opportunity can significantly increase your hourly earnings. Don't forget about customer service. Good ratings can lead to more frequent and higher-paying orders. Be polite, be prompt, and go the extra mile when possible. So, is Uber Eats worth it in Australia? It depends on your individual circumstances and how well you manage your time and expenses. Do your research, track your results, and make an informed decision. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on navigating the gig economy.